Hello everyone! Today we're showcasing our professional waste wheel hub recycling production line. From raw waste wheel hubs to customized finished particles, our integrated line realizes high efficiency, one-stop processing with precise size control. Let's take a closer look at the whole process. First, the collected waste wheel hubs are automatically fed into our heavy-duty shredder, equipped with high-hardness alloy blades and a sturdy crushing cavity. It efficiently tears all kinds of metal wheel hubs into uniform large pieces, no matter steel or aluminum. Alloy hubs. It handles them with stable performance, low noise and no material jamming, laying a solid foundation for the next fine crushing process. The most important highlight of our production line is customizable finished product size. We can configure different specifications of screens according to your actual production needs, whether it's coarse particles for metal smelting or fine particles for deep processing. We can achieve precise size control with uniform particle size and no excessive crushing, maximizing the economic value of recycled wheel hub materials. This is our waste wheel hub recycling line: efficient, stable, customizable, and environmental friendly. If you have any needs for processing size and production capacity, welcome to contact us for a personalized solution.